Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tanisha Renee, and before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell button so you won't miss when I make a new upload. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. So I've never dyed my hair, and honestly it's because I am completely terrified. Okay, well, I was dyeing my sister's hair one time and I used like the little bit that was left over, but I barely had anything to really put on my hair, so technically it doesn't count. I'm just saying that it doesn't count. I think I was in Rite Aid, because it actually says Rite Aid on the sticker. It's technically not dyeing my hair, but it is giving my hair a different color. And I do like when I see pictures of like the other girls on Instagram and like Twitter and like other places, and their hair is dyed and it just makes their curls look like so much better. Just because when your hair is dark, you can't really see all of the curl definition that your hair has. So they dye their hair, it's like blonde colored, the ends are dyed blonde, it's red, it's whatever color they feel like dyeing it, that's the color it is, and it's so beautiful. I don't have enough strength to dye my actual hair. Honestly, I don't want to, because I put so much effort into growing my hair out, taking care of my hair, learning different ways to make my hair work for me, making sure that I'm getting the best out of my hair care regimen and taking care of my hair properly so that it can grow, be healthy, and flourish. That's all I'm saying. I just want my tresses to be beautiful. I got this Loreal Colorista One Day Color Spray, and I got it in the color Rose Gold 2. I'm just going to read the back of it to see what it says. I did look at it a little bit. It says it's an easy application. It says step 1, place a towel around your shoulders to protect your clothing. I've got a t-shirt. It says shake well before each use. Hold can 4 to 6 inches from dry hair and spray. And then wait a few minutes for color to dry completely. It says visible on all hair types. Washes out in one shampoo. It says it's good for like brunettes and blondes. Obviously my hair is, I would say, pretty jet black, so I'm wondering if it's going to show up like it should. It says results and lastingness will vary depending on the color and condition of hair. Color may last longer on blonde hair. Disclaimer. Okay, fair warning. I know that dye is not good for you, and I'm pretty sure this is going to have things in it that are not good for me. Yes, it has trimethicone in it, which means it has some kind of silicone in it, which means it is not good for me. That I understand, and I'm willing to take the risk because I want to try having my hair a different color. It is what it is, guys. I did find this in a clearance bin at Rite Aid. Don't sleep on your clearance bins. Obviously, you know, you can find some good products in there that are cheap. You definitely smell that it has some kind of like alcohol in it, and it does say it can be drying if you spray too much. I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down, and I was going to just leave it in these two stretched ponytails, but I decided I'm going to take it and put it into, let's do 3 sections. So I'll clip that section like that. I'm going to clip this section. I'm clipping it upward. It says spray 4 to 6 inches away, and I'm going to just grab my hair tie and just put it around those clips. And let's go ahead. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Says less is more. I'm going to stop there. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I thought this was going to be enough for my whole head, or at least for 2 uses, but really it's not. And I'm about to try, there's a little bit left and I still have this one section left to do with my hair. So well, it was enough for just 1 use. All over coloring may require more than 1 can. Well, all I did was spray my ends. So I'm not happy that there wasn't enough. Barely the top section, but the under section I didn't get done at all. Kind of okay because I didn't want my ends to be completely covered. So I am okay with that. It doesn't even say an expected time wait. It just says wait a few minutes for color to dry completely. I'm just terrified to see what it'll look like once I take my hair out of these clips. Let's go ahead and take it down. And I didn't actually go ahead and blow dry it just because I wanted it to do its own thing. I wanted to make sure I got the best results from using this, so I let it dry on its own. Let me grab some edge control and see what my edges will look like if I lay them down. Before I say how I'm feeling, I feel like I really like it. So, okay, let me start with the cons first. The cons I'll say are mine. So I feel like I had a lot of oil in my hair, which I feel is moving around the dye, kind of wiping it away. Not really wiping it away, but it's definitely transferring to my hands because I feel like the oils are blocking the dye from sitting on my hair. So it's kind of is definitely coming off on my hands. 2, I wish that my curls were more defined. That's my fault. I left my hair into stretched ponytails for pretty much 2 days, so I feel like obviously my curls aren't going to be as defined to make the color pop like I really wanted to. The other con is I wish the bottle was a lot bigger. Obviously for someone who has a lot of hair, even I only did the ends, so even for me only doing the ends of my hair, it still didn't seem like there was enough. And I almost didn't make it for the center ponytail that I had on this side. So I really didn't even get a full spray on that one. The pros, it did have good color payoff. I feel like this really matches the color that it says it's supposed to on the bottle, and I'm happy with that. It does wash away quickly because I did get some on my hands and I washed it off, and it does come off really well. And I think that's also partly due to the fact that I have oils on my hair already. No, I think I like it. I'm excited to see how long it lasts. Obviously it says it washes out after the first wash, which is assuming why it's so easy for it to come off my hair, which I do like because I don't want to keep it in long. So if I feel like I want to go get another one, I will. I only wash my hair once a week, so I'm going to leave it in for a week, see how it wears, see if the color starts to fade before the week is out, see if it comes off when I do the banding method with my hair at night. And I don't know, I'm just excited. I like it. Like it's bomb. All right, L'Oreal, you got something going here. So if it fades off in one day, I'll be kind of angry because I do want it to stay for a couple of days because it's a different look for me. My hair is super dark. I pretty much have 1B hair if you were getting pack hair. This will wash out pretty much as soon as I wash my hair and it's probably not going to show up. And if it does, I feel like it's probably going to look like a dusty gray. And I'm not mad at that either. I was going to go for a little dusty gray, like Storm, X-Men kind of color. But I was like, no, that's doing too much too soon. Be proud of your hair and try something new. And I'm going to try something new again. I'm not quite sure what it'll be next. Maybe it'll be the same kind of product but a different color, and I'm excited to try it out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you watching me in my next video. Thank you.